2025 version of NetFab has several improvements around how we move parts within the build volume. Here, I have a single part, and if I want to move it, I can use the arrow keys or the circle icons to translate or rotate my parts. After selecting the arrow, I can type in an absolute value, press enter, and my part is moved in that direction. Another option I have to move my parts is by selecting them, going to the Arrange tab, and pressing the Move button. This brings up a new dialog where I can enter an absolute value or a relative value to translate or rotate my parts. Here, I'm typing in 25 in the Z, pressing apply, and my part is moved in the 25mm Z direction. The Move menu also has some quick actions, which allows me to select the part and move the part directly to the platform, or to the platform center, for example. These are great tools to be able to quickly translate my parts to the desired location. However, in the past, they were only available within the Move dialog. With the 2025 version, we added those same quick actions to the Arrange dropdown. Now, you can select the Arrange dropdown and move your parts to the platform, or move them to the platform center, or move them to the left front view of the part. By making them available within the dropdown of the Arrange panel, it gives us the ability to go to Settings, go to Custom Menus, and create a new custom menu. I'll name this menu a new name. We'll just call it Custom for now. Select OK. And then we can add a new panel. Let's just call this Move. And within this new panel, we can go to the Arrange, select the Arrange panel, and choose the desired options. So let's say we want to select these 4 and hit apply. And now my custom menu has a direct access to those move options. I can select my part and I can go and say move it to the platform center without having to navigate into the Move menu. I can use my custom menu to move my parts. Another option I want to highlight is how to use keyboard shortcuts to move our parts. If I look at it from the front view and select this part, I can show you that I used to be able to move my parts using the page up and page down commands, as the shift page up and page down allow me to move the parts in the Z direction. This is controlled in the settings. If I scroll all the way down to the keyboard shortcuts, go to the default section and scroll down, you can see that shift page up controls the translation in the positive Z direction, and shift page down controls the translation in the negative Z direction. These are just some keyboard shortcuts to access move in certain direction quickly. With the 2025 version, we also enabled the translation stepping. So if I want to move with increments of 10mm with each keyboard action, I can do so by typing that in and hitting save. And after selecting my part and pressing shift page up, now my part moves in the Z direction with an increment of 10. This allows me to control the position of my parts more effectively and gives me better control over how I position my parts for 3D printing.